How to see deleted WhatsApp messages on Android and iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see the deleted WhatsApp messages on your Android phone and iPhone. So let's get started. The first method is you can head over to settings, and what you're going to do is scroll down, click on notifications, and simply enable notifications of your WhatsApp. So this method might really work on the Android phone because even if the person deletes the messages from everyone, it would still be shown in the notifications, so you can read the message from there. However, the iOS users might find difficulty in it. If the connections are weak, then the message might still be there in notifications, but if the connection is good, then as soon as the person deletes the message, then the message would be deleted from the notifications too in iOS devices, but in Android, the message stays there. So the next way is that you can head over to WhatsApp, and then what you gotta do is simply head over and click on the chats over here. Then click on chat backup, and you'll be able to see this option that says backup now. So if you have a backup of your WhatsApp chats, you can simply click on backup now, retrieve the chats, and you'll be able to see all of the deleted chats as well. However, the person wouldn't know that you have recovered the chat, but you'll be able to see the chats. They'll only see the chat was deleted from everyone. And then you can simply set up auto backup, click on auto backup and select when you want the backup. So does you want the backup to be daily, weekly, monthly, or you can simply turn it off. And just like that, you can retrieve the old deleted messages. And the easiest way is that you can simply ask the person to send the message again. If you don't want them to send the message again, you can simply use these methods. So that is basically how you can see deleted WhatsApp messages. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.